Which AI makes your selfies look like movie posters? And which one completely ruins your face? I tested GPT-5 Image Mini against Gemini Nano Banana. Same photo, same prompt. The results shocked me. One of these will change how you edit images forever. So here's what's happening right now. OpenAI just dropped GPT-5 Image Mini. It's their compact multimodal model, fast, cheap, built for image and text generation. This thing is designed for cloud API demos, low latency, low cost, but it still keeps the instruction following power. Then Google comes in with Gemini Nano Banana. This is their newest image editing upgrade. It does single photo transformations, style transfers, multi-image composition, and it runs on your phone, in the Gemini app, in Google Photos, in Lens, all on device, super low latency. But here's the question nobody's asking. Which one actually works better? Because specs don't matter if the output looks terrible. So I'm going to show you exactly what happens once you put both through the same tests. I took the same selfie, same prompts, changed outfits, changed backgrounds, changed lighting, and I asked both to preserve my face. Let's see what happened. First test, text to image. I wanted a cinematic fitness shot. Here's the exact prompt I used. Create a cinematic portrait of a young man doing kettlebell swings in a golden hour gym, realistic, high detail, shallow depth of field, dramatic rim light, magazine cover composition. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency, Goldie Agency. GPT-5 Image Mini gave me something interesting. Now, the lighting was solid, the composition worked, but when you zoom in on the face, there are some issues. The skin texture looks a bit off. The hands are weird. 4 fingers on one hand, 6 on the other. Classic AI problem. Gemini Nano Banana. Different story. The style was more polished, more cinematic. The face looked cleaner, but the kettlebell didn't look like a kettlebell. It looked like a blob of metal, and the background was too soft, too blurry, almost like it gave up on the details. So round 1, tie, both have problems, but both show promise. And if you want to learn how to actually use AI to get more customers and automate your business, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you the exact systems I use to run my 7-figure agency. Artificial intelligence automation, lead generation, customer acquisition, all the stuff that actually makes money. The link is in the description. Stop watching tutorials, start implementing. Now let's talk about image editing. This is where it gets wild. I uploaded a boring gym selfie, plain background, basic lighting, nothing special. Then I asked both systems to change my outfit to a black sleeveless athletic top and neon shorts, replace the background with a modern gym interior with warm golden lighting, and most importantly, keep my face unchanged. GPT-5 Image Mini handled the outfit swap pretty well. The colors looked right, the gym background was clean, but my face, it changed, not a lot, but enough that you'd notice. The jawline shifted, the eyes looked slightly different. It's like it tried to preserve me but couldn't quite nail it. Gemini Nano Banana did better on the face, way better. My expression stayed the same. My skin tone stayed natural. The likeness was there, but the outfit looked fake. The fabric didn't have texture. The lighting on the clothes didn't match the background lighting. It felt like 2 separate images pasted together. Here's what this means for you. If you need fast cloud-based edits with good instruction following, GPT-5 Image Mini is your tool. If you need to preserve someone's face and you're okay with less realistic clothing, Gemini Nano Banana wins. Now let's talk speed, because speed matters. If you're running an agency, you need fast turnaround. I ran the same edit on both. Stopwatch running. GPT-5 Image Mini took about 8 seconds through the API. Gemini Nano Banana on my phone, 3 seconds, 3. That's the power of on-device processing. But here's the catch. GPT-5 Image Mini is API first. You need an API key. You pay per request. It's cloud-based. Gemini Nano Banana is app first. It's in your phone, free to use in the Gemini app, no API needed, different use cases, different pricing models. And this is important. If you're building a product or service that needs image generation at scale, you're probably going API route. That's GPT-5 Image Mini. If you're a creator or marketer who needs quick edits on the go, you're probably going app route. That's Gemini Nano Banana. I also did a creative challenge. Turn this boring gym selfie into a cinematic Bollywood fitness poster. I wanted dramatic lighting, film grain, gold accents, the whole thing. GPT-5 Image Mini gave me something that looked more like an action movie poster. High contrast, dramatic shadows, but it lost the Bollywood vibe. The colors were too muted, the style was too Western. Gemini Nano Banana nailed the Bollywood aesthetic, warm tones, gold highlights, cinematic grain, flowing composition, but the face again looked slightly off. The likeness was there, but the expression changed. It made me look more serious than I actually looked in the original. So here's my verdict. Likeness preservation, Gemini Nano Banana wins. Style and aesthetics, Gemini Nano Banana wins again. Speed, Gemini Nano Banana by a mile. Instruction following and flexibility, GPT-5 Image Mini takes it. Cost and availability depends on your use case. If you're running an agency and need to generate images at scale through an API, GPT-5 Image Mini is solid. If you're a solo creator or marketer who needs polished in-app editing with great face preservation, Gemini Nano Banana is the move. Now here's where this gets really interesting. I'm seeing a pattern. OpenAI is going hard on API infrastructure. They want developers building on top of their models. Google is going hard on consumer apps. They want you using their tools inside their ecosystem. Both strategies work, but they serve different audiences. And if you're serious about scaling your business with AI, you need to understand both. Because the future isn't one tool, it's knowing which tool to use for which job. That's how you save time, that's how you save money, that's how you scale. I also want to talk about artifacts. Both models have issues with hands, with text, with fine details. GPT-5 Image Mini sometimes generates weird fingers. Gemini Nano Banana sometimes blurs important details. Neither is perfect, but both are improving fast. And here's the thing, 6 months ago, none of this existed. We couldn't edit images this fast. We couldn't preserve faces this well. We couldn't run models on our phones. The pace of AI development is insane. If you're not paying attention, you're already behind. So what should you do? Test both. Don't just take my word for it. Grab a photo, write a prompt, see which one gives you better results for your specific use case. Because your use case is different from mine. Your clients are different, your goals are different. So, final thoughts, GPT-5 Image Mini is your API powerhouse. Fast, cheap, great for developers and agencies building products. Gemini Nano Banana is your in-app creative tool, polished, fast, great for creators and marketers who need quick edits with face preservation. Both are incredible. Both have flaws. Both will get better. The winner depends on what you're trying to do. And if you want to learn how to actually use AI to get more customers and automate your business, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I show you the exact systems I use to run my 7-figure agency. Artificial intelligence automation, lead generation, customer acquisition, all the stuff that actually makes money. The link is in the description. Stop watching tutorials, start implementing. And if you want to dive deeper into AI tools like this, if you want to learn how to actually make money with AI, you need to join my free AI Money Lab. Inside, you'll get over 50 free AI tools, 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to over 1,000 free workflows, get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads for free with AI, plus a free AI community, free AI course, proven AI case studies. The link is in the description. Join now. Drop a comment and let me know which model you think won. Generative Pre-trained Transformer 5 Image Mini or Gemini Nano Banana. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.